Hello, in this video we are going to cover OG fields on products. So OG fields are basically fields seeded into your product pages and they are used by platforms when users share your product. So a good example would be, let's say somebody shared this product on Facebook and the OG fields would tell Facebook what to use for the preview image, title and summary. So Codaris generate these fields by default for your based on your PIM data and your SEO configuration on your site. So if we take a quick look at the product in your PIM, by default, the OG information will use the name of your product, the primary image on your product for the image preview, and for the description, it will use the SEO that you have configured for your site. So if you navigate to the SEO screen here, if you have no SEO description set for your product, it will fall back to the one you provided as your store default. So we can just take a quick look at that by going to the product on your website. And if you right click and click on View Page Source, we can see the OG fields that Codaris has generated for your product. The type is taken from the OG field that you configured on your store, and as we can see, the title is set to your product name and the description is set to your description that you have configured to your store by default. And your URL is obviously the URL to the product on your website, and the image will be your product's primary image. And lastly, the local is taken again from your store default. It basically says what language your OG fields are written in. So obviously we like to set our OG fields to our products and not use the store default. So if we navigate back to the product in the Codaris PIM and go to the details screen and scroll down to the SEO section, we can set the title and the description. So I'm going to enter a title and I'm going to copy this description here and paste in this field. So if you navigate back to the product on your website and right click and click on View Page Source, we can see that now our product OG title is set to the one that we specified in the SEO section, and the description is set to the one we specified in the SEO section, while our URL and our image are still generated based on the URL on the website and your product's primary image. So we verify that our OG fields are generating. We can also preview how these look in other platforms when they generate a preview of the page. When the user shares it, we can do that by coming over here and copy the URL and navigating to this Facebook debug tool where you can enter the URL to your product and click debug. And it should show us a nice little preview of how this will look when a user shares this product onto Facebook. As we can see, it is using our product's primary image, it is using our OG title, and the OG description. All other platforms use the same OG fields, so their previews will be similar to this.